sugar whiskey. Alabama. Here she comes, here she comes.